Rabbit, there's Tag. His little sister's going to get him, and then Boots is on the right. And they're going to fight. Sound like little bears when they're fighting.
Okay, first I had a sweet dream, now I'm having a nightmare.
Boys.
I want to drink Sweetley some more.
Boys.
Oh, this is nice.
Boots has found something better to chew on than his brother, I guess. And there's Tag.
Yogurt.
Hey, buddy.
And there's the little girl. Say hi.
Hi.
And there's Buttons.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.